Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to pop Jeep Cherokee hood only way. Start by sitting in the driver's seat and pulling the interior hood release firmly toward you. Exit the vehicle and approach the front center of the hood, then slide your hand under the hood edge to locate the secondary latch. Press the latch sideways or upward as required, lift the hood gently, and set the prop rod into its slot to secure it. Once you hear the initial pop, approach the front of the vehicle and rest your fingertips under the hood edge. Move them slowly to find the small secondary latch, which may require sliding your fingers left or right to engage. Depress or push the latch based on feel, then lift the hood with both hands using smooth upward motion. Finally, position the prop rod securely into its hole and confirm the hood is stable before working. If this guide is helping you, please subscribe and like the video to support more simple car hacks. Quick recommendation: a book that can truly change how you think about money is The Simple Path to Wealth, which I found practical and calming for financial decisions. It pairs nicely with saving for repairs or upgrades. Check the description for the book link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. If the hood refuses to open, try pressing the release again while someone else applies slight pressure to the hood to reduce cable tension. For stuck or frozen latches, spray penetrant on the mechanism and work it gently until it frees up. If cable stretch or break is suspected, access the latch through the grill or consult a technician. Always support the hood with the rod and avoid placing hands near closing edges.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.